KAIRO heard the news. Mount Etna on the island of Sicily, Italy, was erupting. Without hesitation, KAIRO flew straight there, eager to witness this spectacular moment of nature with his own eyes. Etna erupts. Ash and smoke rise high into the bright sky, painting a powerful scene right in the middle of the day. Rivers of red-hot lava pour down its slopes. Tourists who were exploring the volcano quickly rush down to the base, fear and worry written on their faces. Each step is hurried. Everyone wants to get to safety as fast as possible. But one brave visitor decides to stay behind, determined to capture the breathtaking eruption on camera, risking everything for that once-in-a-lifetime shot. Maybe living near Etna teaches people how to face the unexpected and handle every challenge. This volcano doesn't just bring danger, it also enriches the land, giving life to everything around it. No matter how many times Etna erupts, the people of Sicily remain strong, hopeful, and full of courage.